Okay. If you guys want a like get ready with me how I do my makeup thing, let me know. Because a couple people already asked me, it was like, how do you do your makeup? Your face looks flawless. Thank you. So let me know if y'all want that. Say it in the comments and I got y'all. So I'm about to try on my outfit. The first one that was made by Brianna. I think I'm gonna wear it to the studio tonight. So y'all let me know. I like to be cozy, comfy when I go to the studio. So that's the vibes. So I'll be right back. Okay. Outfit number one. Oh, let me take down my hair. This is so cute. Okay. Hold on. Okay. My girl Look by Brianna, she did that. Oh my gosh, this is so fire. And there. Yeah. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Brianna, girl. You did what needed to be done. Oh, this is so cute. I think I'm gonna turn it this way. Yes, sir. This is the cutest outfit ever. I'm kind of in love. She did that. What y'all think about this one? Now I low-key want to do like a whole haul so that y'all can like just see everything, especially when the lighting is good. But I'm trying to think, should I do that right now? I do have more time before I have to be at the studio, so my girl did that. But this is so cute. I don't even want to change. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna try on the next fit for y'all. I'll be right back. When I say I'm obsessed with this look, y'all have no idea. I really am. I loved it. It was so cute, so pretty, so vibrant. The fact that it was handmade was like everything to me. So I just love a good two-piece set with a sweater, with the hat. It was just giving everything it had to give. I love super cozy, comfy clothes, and Hook by Brianna, she did that, and I paired it with just a cute tank top, some denim shorts, and also my Rick Owens boots that I love. Obviously, y'all see me wear that all the time. So Hook by Brianna, you did that, girl. It is super, super cute. Okay, look number two is this cardigan. When I tell you I did not want to take this cardigan off, you can see how much love and detail is put inside of this thing. Like, it just looks so good on me. It's giving me rich housewife. It's giving me I'm going to church. It's giving me all the feels that I need, and it's just so beautiful. As y'all know, I said it in my last vlog, I just want to get out of wearing the color black because I feel like black is like such a color that just absorbs everything and energy and all that. I want to wear more vibrant colors, so this cardigan gave me all the feels that I needed. Okay, so go shop y'all's today. And look three, low-key, I was kind of nervous about it because your girl got a little thick. I gained a little bit of weight, so I wasn't even sure if I was really going to be able to fit it, but I was able to fit it to perfection, and it looks so good on my body. It was for sure giving me vacation vibes, so your girl may have to go on vacation, but I definitely wanted to showcase this outfit to y'all because it just looks so good on the body. I don't know what it is about crocheted clothes, but it just makes me feel like a woman. It makes me feel like I'm in my essence and just beautiful. So thank you so much to Hook by Brianna for doing and creating these beautiful clothes. When I tell you, I just cannot wait to wear everything. So stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you follow my girl Hook by Brianna on Instagram, and also use the discount code Leah10 for 10% off of everything that you see on her website. Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.